Ben, 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 ben.
Charlie, I'm really not happy about...
What?
Charlie, this is the 4th time in 3 days where I've come back and there's a hooker passed out on your bed. I'm really not happy about this.
Winning.
Charlie, you can't keep saying winning about everything.
Winning.
It's no way to go by in life.
I'll tell you what's certainly not winning. All the shit stains I had to clean out of your son's underwear, Alan.
That's the last time I take you to Taco Bell, Jake.
God is our refuge and strength.
Charlie, if I have to clean up more hooker vomit...
Oh, jeez, who could that be?
It's me, the police. I'm looking for a Mr. Sheen.
Huh? Well, I got a Mr. Clean.
No.
Jake, come back down here, and I need you to get the other arm. Jake.
Hey, is that a stripper?
I don't know. It was just included in the budget. When I walk on set and she's here.
The path of the righteous man is beside...
I don't know what they didn't even give me a script. I just came on and they said, Charlie, you've got to improvise. I was like, improvise what? I don't have any. You just put me in a room and there's a dead person in here. What do I do with this?
Bang, bang, bang.
Jesus Christ, he shot Jake.
God has a plan.
Jake, you were taken from this show way too early.
Not early enough, if you ask me.
I'm trusting God alone.
You'd probably get more for that kid if you traded him in part exchange for a new second-hand car, Alan.
Fuck you.
Sinning.